In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find channel ID in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to find the channel ID is quite simple. Just head over to the channel that you want to get its ID. For instance, I want to get ID for this channel. So go ahead and right click on it and then click on view channel details. From here, if you scroll down, you'll see we have channel ID. If you click on this copy icon, now you will have copied your channel ID. You can now share it with anyone or with any team. So that's how you can find and copy your channel ID in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.